To get the views, the content needs to be exported out of Final Cut. In this video, we cover the quickest ways to create a file that is ready to send. With a variety of platforms, the one you want to publish to may be different from the next editor. We will look at customizing the share menu to get the desired file for your workflow. I will also show you how to export a small section of a project, which can help you export multiple versions, saving time as you search for the best setting. Use Command 2 to activate the timeline, and then click the Share menu in the upper right corner. Clicking a destination in this list tells Final Cut how to export the project. Select Apple devices 720p, and notice at the bottom the frame size 1280 by 720. This share destination converts the project to this frame size, puts it into a .m4v container, which makes it compatible with the checked Apple devices. Before clicking Next, update the file name and metadata. I'll put this on the desktop. Use the Background Tasks window in the upper left corner to monitor the export. Final Cut sends a notification when the file is ready. To send this file to my iPhone, I'll use AirDrop. Returning to Final Cut, customize the Share menu by clicking the Add Destination button to open Preferences. Skim the available settings and drag one to the list on the left to add it. Right-click on a setting to set it as the default share destination, which links it to the shortcut Command E. To remove a setting, click it and press the minus at the bottom. Return to the project and use the Share menu to access our new destination. Click the Settings tab to customize the resolution. This destination creates a compatible file that we can then upload to YouTube, Facebook, and other websites. We are quickly skimming these settings here, but you can click Learn More for additional info. Settings to export and burn in captions can help make your video more accessible. Return to the timeline and use Option C to add a caption. There are multiple formats of captions, so you'll want to choose an appropriate format for your destination. YouTube, for example, works well with CEA 608, so we can select that format to follow its guidelines. Burned-in captions are always on the screen, and the viewer can't turn them off. If you want the user to have an option, use Export Captions. The destination I use most frequently is Export File. Scrub across this image to get a preview. Click to edit the name, description, and additional metadata as needed. As we know from earlier, the bottom includes a summary of the frame size, frame rate, duration, container format, and estimated file size. Our project is short, but for longer projects, it can help to test the settings on smaller portions of the project. Use the Range Selection tool to mark a desired range. Then, use the Share menu to select a destination. Notice at the bottom that only the selected range is going to be exported. Having a habit of looking at this bottom bar before sharing can save you wasted time exporting if these are not the desired settings. Return to the project, click anywhere to remove the selected range, and use Command E to share using the default settings. As you've seen, Final Cut makes the export process simple with the built-in share destinations. The ability to customize the destinations and what is shared, like captions, frame size, and container format, cover the most used options. However, there are many more settings out there, and Apple has an application called Compressor, which enables many more custom destinations. Now that our project is exported, review the file and share it with the world. I would love to see your work. Leave a link down in the comments to the projects you've created.